Hey guys, I'm Julian with 2Pro Beats and welcome to my studio life. In today's video I want to show you some great free plugins for mixing. I use these plugins on almost every single mix. You should check them out. Let's get into the video. I have here a cool session for a beat that I'm making. The first plugin is Tokyo Dawn Labs Nova. Nova is a dynamic EQ. You can use it to remove unwanted frequencies, you can use it for sidechaining, and you can use it to add some air but still control the top end. And I'm gonna show you a few things. So with Nova you have 4 bands. All bands can be regular bands or you can use them in dynamic mode. You have a nice frequency analyzer. You can enable or disable every single band. High pass, low pass. Let me show you how you can use it on the vocal. As you can hear, this is like a very bad recorded vocal. It has a lot of mud, a lot of low mids, so I'm gonna try to remove that. You can solo the band and hear just the frequency so you can focus. This is the frequency I want to remove. I'm gonna reset the gain, engage the threshold, and just lower the threshold. With a high pass filter, you can clean the vocal in a more natural way than with a regular EQ, because this EQ is reacting just when those frequencies are poking out from the vocal. The next use for Nova is to add some brightness but still controlling the top end. So let me show you how you can do it. A high shelf, I'm boosting with the regular EQ, and then I'm engaging the dynamic EQ and lowering the threshold. So now I'm boosting, but I'm controlling with the dynamic EQ when top end gets out of control. Another great thing about Nova is that it has sidechain, kick and pad. Add Nova on the pad, engaging the sidechain in Studio One, the external sidechain. On the threshold ring you're gonna see the kick. I'm gonna lower that and I'm gonna use low shelf. This way you can create a nice movement and you can make room for the important elements in your mix. This one is free. They also have like a gentleman edition. I think it's something 50 euros or something like that. So you should definitely download this dynamic EQ. The next plugin is Krush from Tritik. This is distortion, saturation, beat reduction. Let me try this on the 808. So you have drive, crash, and downsampling. You also have a nice filter that you can use to low pass or to high pass. And with this plugin you can also modulate the distortion and all the parameters, so you can get some interesting results. And you can also blend the dry with the wet signal. Another way that you can use Krush is on sends. I do this all the time. I have a delay on my vocal here. I'm gonna use it before the delay. You can get very creative, and it's a cool plugin. The next plugin is Pancake from CableGuys. Randomize function. It's really nice to add some movement and some depth to your hi-hats. You can draw your own curve, right? So you can go pretty crazy with it. You can add points, you can change the how you draw. You have step. You can flip the channel. So it's a great little plugin. So this is part 1 of best 3 mixing plugins. Subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification button. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.